Nolan's intercompany POP to SOP is ideal for related companies that need to buy and sell inventory items between GP company databases. First, a purchase order is created and released in Company A, automatically triggering the creation of a sales order in Company B. Once the sales order is transferred to an invoice in Company B, a PO receipt is automatically triggered against our original PO in Company A. Now with intercompany invoices sitting in both companies, Company A can process a payment on the AP invoice, which will automatically generate a cash receipt in Company B. Nolan's intercompany POP to SOP can also work in tandem with Dynamics GP's PO generator to initiate the intercompany process from a customer sales order in Company A. Additionally, the automated POP to SOP process can be initiated by an inventory transfer in Company B. With its automated loop to keep purchase orders, sales transactions, receipts, and payments in balance between related companies, intercompany POP to SOP eliminates the need for duplicate data entry in multiple databases.